They fear the word cult because it reminds them they already belong to one. Every paycheck, every prayer, every algorithm is a ritual. The question isn't, are you in a cult? The question is, do you know which one you chose? You see, before the empire renamed our language, cult meant something beautiful. It meant care, cultus, to tend, to cultivate, to worship what is alive. The same root that gave birth to culture and agriculture. To be in a cult was to be in rhythm with life. But they changed the meaning. They corrupted it, like they did with everything they couldn't control. Cult became madness. Spirit became ghost. Magic became witchcraft. Ancestors became demons. And then they built their own cult. A cult of a false white god. Today, most humans still live inside that cult, worshipping systems, but not the source. The city became the new temple. The screen became the new altar. The algorithm became the new priest. We call it modern life, but it's just an updated ritual of obedience. Yes, there are those who remember, the ones who never opted in. Motu or Umuntu, who still wakes with the sun and sleeps with the stars. The woman who still plants by moonlight. The child who speaks to water and means it. These are members of the original cult, the cult of care, Botu, Ubuntu. To cultivate is to care. To care is to worship. And to worship truth is to stand in the light of Ramasedi. That's the cult of Ramasedi. No fear, no control, just truth in sunlight. So when they ask me, Brapita, are you starting a cult? I say yes, the cult of care, the cult of light, the cult of truth. Not to control minds, but to cultivate consciousness. Because we are already inside one system or another. The question that remains is, did you choose yours with your eyes open?